Hey guys, riding from Madikeri to Siddhapura to Virajpet, and now we're at the border. This is Karnataka, and my friend Vibhu and our ride. So they're right there. We've entered Kerala. It's been one heck of a journey. We're now off to this place called as Iriti. I think this is the Kannur district, and looking forward for some nice beef chili. What do you say, Vibhu?
What I have to
Do
say?
you want to have some beef chili in Kerala?
No, yeah, I'm vegetarian, so sorry.
Hi, sucks.
I can have a folk who eats veg, otherwise it's a problem.
See you in Kerala.